Now what is our project today? I see a few things here.
I'm not going to be on it.
Huh?
Stop.
Are you part of this video today?
No.
Thanks. Hey, you look like you just came back from exercising.
I did.
You did? She doesn't really like to be on my videos anymore. She used to be. She used to like it. You used to be on my videos all the time.
No, that's when I was young and naive.
No. Now, hey, let's get back to this. What is going on here? In fact, this lady right here, she wanted me. We just she got this condo quite a few months ago, and I've been showing you on the condo rehab reno episodes, and I'll probably put this on one of those episodes. She initially wanted all these cabinets to be pulled out. One of the reasons why she wanted these cabinets to be pulled out is because of this. These are old school cabinets. These are about 15 years old, and they don't have the self-closing hinges. And the drawers don't have the self-closing drawer guide deals. And that was one of the reasons why she wanted these pulled out. And I said, I think I can take the little hinges, these are concealed hinges, and I think I can go to the hardware store and simply take this out and put a new hinge in there. And if I can, I asked her, I said, if I can make these close nice and easy, would it be okay to leave these cabinets? I think her answer was
Yes.
yeah. And see, initially she was gonna take these out for another reason too. She liked, we went to the store and she liked this bamboo and style, and it was made from bamboo. But after we looked at it and I pointed out, I said, you know what? Those cabinets, after we get them installed, they're going to look basically like this. The bamboo color was going to be just slightly darker, probably about as dark as that up in there. And that was going to cost, what was it going to cost? $12,000 or something? It was something ridiculous. And so I talked her out of that, and I think she's happy. I think she's happy because these cabinets still look in really good shape, right? And we're going to make them self-closing. I hope we are. That's what this video is about. And but she did want the countertops replaced, so of course we replaced the countertops and the sink and the faucet and all the appliances and stuff. And that's on some of the previous episodes. So if you haven't watched any of those condo renovation episodes, go back, because I start from the beginning on how to do all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, but this particular episode is going to be about installing these self-closing hinges. So if you want to watch that, stick around. Now here's an interesting thing. Before I start taking these out, you might think, oh, hey, all I have to do is take one of these out and go to the store and get some. What's the big deal with that? Or I know they're concealed hinges, so I'm just going to go to the store and get the self-closing concealed hinges. Do you think you can do that from the store? Absolutely not. You know how many different types of concealed hinges like this there are? There's probably 7 or 8 styles, sizes, and this one happens to say 1 1/4 inch overlay. Do you see that? 1 1/4 overlay. Face frame hinge, and these are the soft close. Now at the store they had 1 1/4 inch. I saw some as low as 1/4, and then also 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 1/4. And I had to bring one of the guys over from the hardware department and ask him, hey, what's the difference between all these? And I'm glad I brought this. And the difference is how much gap there is from here up to there. Because some other ones, the 1/4 inch, are just hardly anything, and 1/2 inch and so forth. That's why you've got to take one of these to the store with you. Not all cabinets are created equal. Not all cabinet doors are created equal. Not all installation areas are created equal or any of that kind of stuff. Okay, so I'm glad I took this in. Once I figured out these were the 1.25" ones I needed, I then found them, and you can buy a package of a 2-pack, and here I counted up all the doors, and I have 15 doors. 15 doors here, I'm pretty sure, and that meant I need 2 hinges per door. That's 30. Okay, here's a 10-pack, and this is called a value pack. Anytime you need to get some hinges, if you need to get more than 10 hinges, you might not want to buy them in plastic bags of 2 in a plastic bag. Oh, I just get five bags. Okay, you're going to spend more to do that than if you were to find the value pack. This is a 10-pack, and I happen to get these at the Home Depot, and they probably have them at other hardware stores, and you just have to kind of check around. I'm pretty sure these are going to fit that. Okay, and I saved about $2.50 per pack, and I had to get 3 packs, $7.50 plus tax, over $8 a pack. And here's another thing to remember to do when you're at the store. I looked at the price of this. These were like $26.98 or something, and then when the guy rang them up, or $26.48 on the shelf. And when the guy rang them up, I says, "How much are those? I just want to check." And they or 46.68 for 10. Okay, and he ran them up $48.98 per 10. I said, "That's not right." And so I went back to the shelf, and I took a picture of it. I showed it to him. He even punched in the SKU, and the SKU still came up $48.98. And I said, "Hey," he says, "Well, what do you want me to do? The computer says this." And I says, "I don't care what your computer says. Your price on your counter, on your shelf where these are, says something different. I want you to honor that price." Of course, he backed out the price, apologized, and all that kind of stuff. I saved my $8 because I was kind of studious about how much this was going to cost, because just a 2-pack was over $10. So see, if you buy 5 2-packs for 10, that's going to be over $50 for this, and this cost me $48. And so, in fact, I've saved by doing a 10-pack. I'm saving maybe $4 or so per 10-pack. So now 4, 8, 12 plus tax, 13, probably $13 I saved because I got the 10-packs. If I needed 8, let's say I needed 8 hinges, it's cheaper to buy a 10-pack and save 2 for later on than it is to buy 4 2-packs in a plastic bag to get your 8. Do you see what I'm saying? So always look at the store and see if they have value packs. That goes for all kinds of different things. Masking tape, you can do that. Toilet plunger, flappers, or screws, just all kinds of things. Cabinet handles like this. I got some for my mom one time, and individually they cost a certain amount, and then I saw that they had I think there were 14, 16 packs, or even 18 in a pack. So I got the ones that I kind of liked, and because they only had 2 or 3 models that they sold in the value pack, and I got the ones that best looked right, and I saved a ton of money doing that on all her cabinet doors in her house. And so always look for value packs. Okay, let's talk about a couple other things before we start going. What is the deal with this?